Hey everybody, Jack Carmody here. Just wanted to make a quick video to give you a rundown on how my new online booking feature works. So just added this to my website. So if you're an existing client or a new client, you can book directly. You can go to my website, click the link, look at my availability, look at your availability, and you can go ahead and book online. So I'm hoping this will streamline things and make things easier, but I want to do a quick video on how to do it. So jackcarmody.org is my website that will take you to my page. You're going to scroll all the way down, almost to the bottom, and there's a link here that says click here to book an appointment. I may put a little calendar graphic there instead of just that box. I'm not sure yet, but either look for that graphic or just click on this link. So click on that link, that'll take you to this next page. And we're going to go, we'll say we're a new client. So you're going to click on I'm a new client. And here's where you pick, do you want to do a telehealth video appointment or do you want to do in person? So, most of the clients I see in Chapin or Mo, Columbia, Newberry are in person. Some do video though. So you have that option right here too. And I do have clients throughout the state. So if you are anywhere in South Carolina, we can do video. So I have a lot of clients that do that. So you got the option, pick either one. We'll go in person. And then here's this screen would be if I've got like 2 different offices or 3 offices, you pick which location you want to see me in. I just have the one office, so we'll click select. And here we'll have my availability. So the star is where today is. So today, the only thing I have open is a 2 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and an 8 o'clock. And it's not letting you actually click. See if you click, it won't let you do anything. Same day, you got a call, which makes sense. So you can't book same day without calling. But if we go to today's 30th, we click over to December. What about tomorrow? So tomorrow I've got a 9, a 10, a 1, and a 3. So if I'm a new client and I say, hey, 9 o'clock, I want to come see Jack. Click there, and then you have the option to say, is this appointment for me or my partner and me? It could be a couples counseling session. My partner and me could be, if you've got a son or daughter you want to bring in with you to about some family things, you could do that as well. So just gonna click me, click next. First, last name, email, phone, date of birth, then request an appointment. That's it. Then I'll get a little notification and I'll approve your appointment, and then I will, since I've got your email address in there, I will send you all my paperwork, and that's it. We're off to the races. They're pretty simple. A few extra steps for a new client, for an existing client. So we'll scroll all the way back to the beginning. Okay, so I'm an existing client. That, and here's where it's kind of nice actually. You don't have to remember a login and password. You just have to type in your email address that you used, that you gave me when you first saw me. So I'm going to enter in my own business email address. So you're going to enter that in and then email me a link. And that's it. So you wait for this email to hit your inbox, and it'll pop up here for me in a second. Okay, so you'll get an email in your inbox that will look something like this. They'll say, here's the link you requested. You're going to click sign in. So once you click on that link, this will open up this tab in your browser or your phone, and this will essentially be you'll be in your client portal. So again, as an existing client, you're going to request an appointment, request now. Have the option of telehealth or in person. So we'll say in person, and click the office location there. And again, this is where you look at my availability. We'll say, how about Friday at 10. So we'll go click of that. And that's it. You've made your appointment request, and I'll get a notification and be able to approve you. So I think it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I hope this will make booking easier and just less back and forth and streamline the whole process. So by all means, try this out. Give me some feedback. Let me know how things are going. There's my own appointment request. But anyways, out for now, and look forward to seeing y'all soon. Thanks.